your edges is very, very important, and with this unit you can save your edges. If you're the type that doesn't like hairband wigs just because your edges are damaged, believe me, you're going to like this unit. Not only you're going to like it, you're going to love it, and it's going to be one of your best wig. It's going to be your best friend. When your edges are damaged, it is difficult for you to slay your baby hairs. I face the problem of slaying my baby hairs because my edges are damaged. You can see they are damaged. And one thing, I also, with the hairband wig, you know, when you wear the hairband wig, you need to slay your baby hairs. Your edges need to be very full edges so that you can really slay the baby hairs so well. Like mine, you can see from here they are damaged. So each time I'm wearing a hairband wig, I find it really difficult. But today I have a good news for you, because today I have a wig with me, a hairband wig here that is different from the basic hairband wig. Yeah, this hairband wig is different from the rest you have seen, and I am so happy, so happy that they were able to like come out with this idea to make this kind of hairband wig style, because I have really imagined to see how it's possible to like bring out something like this. So when I got this hairband wig, I am so happy and excited about this. So today this is the hairband wig I want to share with you guys, and this wig is from juliahair. It's 40 inches. If you've seen those normal hairband wigs that have been in the market for some time now, but this one is different. I am so happy about this wig, because if you have a damaged edges, you will understand what I'm talking about, because it's very difficult to slay your baby hairs. But with this hairband wigs, I promise you, you're going to be very happy, because you can wear it in different forms. So let me show you guys. This is the hair from juliahair. You can see it's coily. One thing I'm so happy about is that it came with bang, which is this. This is so genius. This is genius, because the normal, you guys know the normal hairband wig. Let me remove this. The normal classic hairband wig comes like this. Comes in this form. You can see this, but this one they added bang to it, which is this one. So which means you can attach this to the front like this, you see, to cover your baby hairs. So even if your hair is damaged, you don't have any problem. So guys, this is the wig. You see this, and this is the band. So you see this place here, this is where you're going to attach the band to. So like this is the band, so you're going to attach it to this place like this. You see, you just attach it to it like this, press it down, and that is it. This one is 14 inches. I love the coils, and I like the length of it. It's not too long, and it came with combs by the side to secure your wig, and also an adjustable strap. Then also this band here, you can bring it just to the back to secure your wig the more. You see, and it's long enough. I'm going to demonstrate it for you guys to see. I'm going to remove the band that is attached to it. Like the classic one, this is how it should be. Then you're going to take this one backward. Then I'll bring the comb here, then take the comb to hold this. This is the classic way, the normal classic hairband wig that we all know. this is how it should be. One thing I like about this one is two options. Is either you slay your baby hairs or you can use the band on it. I'm going to wear it with the band, so let's just see the first option of the normal hairband wigs that we know before is like this. So I can style it this way. So this is the classic way to wear the normal hairband. Remember, I did not do anything to these coils. The way it just came, I wore it like that. I'm going to see if I will use a cream for coily hair on it. So it came with all this hairband you're seeing here. So we're going to style the hair with this, and also it came with 2 cap wigs. I'm going to put the hairband. I like this one. I like the details of this one. See this one. So since it's mixed with red, I'm going to use this one. Let me wait to see. Like the details of this hairband.
On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us, it's all or nothing.
So this one came with some buttons. You can see button details here. Oh, so cool. Right now, I'm going to use the bang that came with it. We're going to style it with this because we've styled this hairband alone. Okay, I can as well just pack this.
It's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you're doing night, but in the morning you just sleep.
So right now, guys, I'm going to use the band. This is a bang. We're going to put this, wear this on it. Let's see how it's going to look like. Let me remove everything. So all you need to do, you're just going to take this side, you're going to place it like this. Just use this and place it.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you.
So this is it. You attach the two together. I did it wrong. Let's see. I did it wrong. Maybe it's like this. Sorry guys, I did it wrong. So you're going to put this side upward like this, then place it just attach it well. So it's going to fall to your forehead. Okay, so this is how it should be. I have done it now. So when you wear it, this is how it should be. Now it's covering my face. So let's take this. Let me pack. And this is the band, and this one is the hairband, the band that came with it. You just attach this one to it. So because it's so long, I'm going to trim little from it because you can see it's just covering my eyes. Or let me shift it backward. Okay. So I'm going to add little cream to I'm adding this because I don't want to over trim it, so that I can separate the coils. So I'm just going to trim little from it.
nothing.
I prefer this to the classic hairband wig, because with this I can, if I want to make it classic, I can make it. If I want to leave it this way, I can. So that is what I really like about this wig. So guys, this is it. You can see it. I just put the band here. So guys, I want to try it with this. Just put this here. I really like the detail of this band with the sparkling. Goes with my ear, and this goes with my earring. I'm so much satisfied with this wig. Kudos to the person that constructed this unit. I'm so happy, because you can as well rock this like this. You can rock it even with just this band on it, and this is so perfect. This is so perfect, so perfect. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this hair on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. So I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.